Magandang umaga mga kaklase. In this video, I will discuss quadratic equation. Sa quadratic equation, meron tayong standard form. Ex squared plus bx plus c equals c. So ito yung ex squared, ito yung quadratic term. Itong bx, that is linear term, at ang c yung constant. So how to find a, b, at c? Bakit kailangan natin kukunin yung a, b, and c? Kasi pag yung standard form natin hindi siya factorable, not factorable yung standard form. So, to solve the x, kukunin natin yung a, b, c. Kasi yung sa quadratic formula, mayroon tayong formula. So, x minus b plus minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Gagamitin na natin itong formula if the standard form is not factorable. Okay? So, dapat kailangan natin kukunin yung a, b, and c. So, as for now, hindi muna natin to gagamitin yung quadratic formula. So, hahanap muna tayo ng gagawin natin standard form. Tapos, kailangan natin yung a, b, and c. Okay? So, ano yung standard form nito? Ang standard form natin is standard form ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. Okay? So, gagawin natin itong example kasi same dito sa standard form. So, 10x minus 2x, transfer natin yung 7, naging negative, equals 0. So, same na siya sa standard form. So, yung a natin is 10, yung b is negative 2, yung c negative 7. So, itong quadratic equation is not factorable. So, kailangan natin ng ABC para gamitin natin yung quadratic formula. So, kanina binigay ko kanina. So, example number 2. So, same dito sa standard form natin. Gawin natin standard form. Okay? So, multiply natin. Ito, dito. So, x times x, that is x squared. X times positive 3, that is 3x. Negative 8 times 8, x equals minus 8x. Tapos negative 8 times 3, negative 24 equals 20. Okay? So, x squared. 3x minus 8x, negative 5x minus 24 equals 20. Okay, so transfer natin yung 20. 24 minus 20 equals 0. So, ang standard form natin, minus 5x, naging 44 equals 0. Okay, so ang A natin is 1, B natin is negative 5, ang C constant is negative 44. Okay, so ito yung same sa constant standard form natin, So multiply natin 5x times x, that is 5x squared, kabila, plus 5x times 1, that is 5x. Ito na naman, x times x, that is x squared, x times 5, that is 5x. Ito na naman, 4 times x plus 4x, 4 times 5, that is plus 20. Okay, so 5x squared plus 5x equals x squared, 5x plus 4x, that is 9x plus 20. Okay, so ita-transfer natin dito sa kabila. So 5x squared, transfer natin yung x squared to minus x squared, copy natin yung 5x, transfer natin yung 9x, so negative 9x, pati yung 20 transfer natin, 20 equals 0. Okay, so 5x squared minus x squared, so 4x squared, 5x minus 9x, so negative 4x minus 20 equals 0. Okay, so pwede siya ma-divide 4, so i-divide natin siya sa 4. Divide po sa 4 sa kabila. So 4 divided by 4, that is x squared na lang. Minus x minus 5 equals 0. Okay, so ang A natin is 1, B natin is negative 1, ang C natin is negative 5. Okay, so transfer mo muna natin yung 1/2 sa kabila. 1 x plus 4 plus 1 over x minus 1 over 2 equals 0. So anong gawin natin dito? So kunin natin yung least common denominator. So itong tatlo, x plus 4, x of 2. Okay, so ito i-divide natin dito, ang natira is ito 2x times 1, 2x. Ah, 2x tama. Plus ito ano naman. So itong denominator divide nimo sa x. So ang natira is 2 at saka ito. So times 2 x plus 4. Tapos yung itong natira, divide natin dito sa 2, ang natira is ito, no? So x times x plus 4 yan, equals 0. Cross multiply natin, so ito makancel na siya kasi 0 kasi siya. So natira ito na lang sa taas. So 2x plus 2x plus 4 minus x zero. Kasi ito, because multiply natin dito, that is 0 pa rin to. So, ang natira is ito na lang sa taas. Simplify, 2x plus substitute 2x, multiply din, plus 8 kabila, minus x squared minus 4x equals 0. Okay, so 4x minus 4x, that is 0, no? 4x plus 8 minus x squared minus 4x equals 0. Okay, so yan, so cancel to, ang natira is 8 minus x squared equals 0. So, gawin din ng standard form, transfer natin dito para ma-positive yung x squared. X squared, pati transfer yung 8, so minus 8, 0. Okay? So, ang A natin is 1. Ang B, kasi wala siyang isang term, so 0 siya. So, ang C is negative 8. Okay? So, transfer natin yung 1 over 10 sa kabila. 1 over x minus 2 plus 2x minus, kasi transfer siya, 1 over 10 equals 0. Same pa rin kanina. Next common denominator, ito lang at saka ito. So, 10 at saka x minus 2. I-divide natin siya dito. So, ang natira is 10. 10 times 1 is 10. Tapos, copy ang 2x. Ito, 2x. Divide natin sa 1. So, understood na siya ng 1. So, ang natira, ito ang dalawa. Times 10 times x minus 2. Okay? Minus, ito, i-divide natin sa 10. Ang natira is x minus 2. X minus 2 equals 0. Okay? So, copy 10 plus, so 2x times 10 muna. So 20x x minus 2 minus x minus 2 over 10 x minus 2 equals 0. Cross multiply natin. So, naging cancel to siya kasi multiply sa siya. So, ang natira ito. So, 10 plus, multiply natin. 20x times x, that is 20x squared. 20x times negative 2, that is negative 40x. Okay? So, ito, negative 1 times x, so negative x. Negative 1 times negative 2, that is positive 2, equals 0. So, nawala na itong denominator. Lagi cross multiply natin. So, sa standard form, 20x squared. So, negative 40x minus negative x, that is negative 41x. Okay? Tapos 10 og 2, positive 22 equals 0. Okay? So, nakuha na natin yung A. 20 ang A. Ang B is negative 41. Ang constant is 22. Okay? So, that's all for now, and see you on my next video. Thank you very much. Please subscribe and share this video.